What do you see as your main responsibility to your team and stakeholders?
The objective has always been to make this a new class of antibiotics available to patients, not only locally, but globally. The path to doing that is through commercialization. We started in a dish, we moved into small species animals, we moved into large species animals, to first in human trials, to phase 2 studies looking to see if it is efficacious after you've determined it's safe. And now we have 2 registrational phase 3 studies, which is the final step to that commercialization.
Recce's approach is quite different from traditional antibiotics. What does that mean for the future of anti-infectives?
Look, it's a sign of hope in the fight against antimicrobial resistance, or superbugs. The ability to work and keep on working with repeated use is something we haven't seen in antibiotics for many, many years. I really think it will change patients' lives and be able to treat these increasingly drug-resistant infections or treat common infections in a faster and more efficacious manner.
What excites you most about Recce's pipeline and technology?
Look, it'll be the versatility. It's the ability to work on not just one type of bacteria, but all types of bacteria. And it's the ability to work quickly in minutes rather than hours. That's good for the patients, stopping the infection in its tracks. That's good for the healthcare system, getting patients out of the hospital and back into their homes and working community quickly as possible. And of course, it's good for medicine as a whole.
How do you see Recce's work impacting patients and healthcare systems worldwide?
Look, the faster you can treat an infection, the quicker you can stop that infection spreading. Not only is that good for the patient, it can see patients potentially out of the healthcare system faster with less comorbidities. That's good for all involved.